Do you have a Suzuki King Quad 400 and does it have a misfire? There are a few things that can cause it, but this one is peculiar to this particular bike. My ace mechanic found it. There's a wiring loom runs along there beside the airbox, and the bike was running and he just touched it there and it stopped immediately. He couldn't find any broken wires, so he took the wiring loom right out, repositioned it a little bit and bound it up with fresh tape, and guess what? Problem solved.